Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is oblivious. It is pronounced oblivious, and it is spelled O-B-L-I-V-I-O-U-S. Think ob, then live, then eus. Oblivious. Oblivious means not aware of or not concerned about what is happening around oneself. For example, you could say, he was oblivious of the lion prowling towards him. The word oblivious comes from the Latin obliviosus, meaning forgetful. While both forgetful and oblivious mean you are unaware of something, today oblivious means not noticing something that you were never aware of. So it's slightly different to forgetting. The best examples of being oblivious can be found in Scooby-Doo. Surely you've seen the classic scenes of Shaggy and Scoob walking around a haunted house without noticing they are being followed by a scary ghost, ghoul or monster. Yeah, we all remember that. They are completely oblivious. Oblivious is an adjective and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, Scooby-Doo was oblivious to the werewolf watching him through the window. Oblivious is defined in the dictionary as not conscious or knowledgeable of something, especially what is happening around you. Oblivious's synonyms include unaware, unconscious, heedless, unmindful, insensible, unheeding, ignorant, blind, deaf, unsuspecting, unobservant, disregardful, unconcerned, and impervious. Antonyms include aware, conscious, attentive, and concerned. See if you can point out anyone being oblivious today. It could be a classmate daydreaming in class or a character on the TV. Either way, impress your friends and your family by using your new word today, oblivious. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.